Yeah, I think it's important to consider. I mean, when we're talking about security, we need to talk about the totality of the cloud footprint, not just the sovereign cloud. We're obviously focusing in here on sovereign. So think about your data in terms of the classification types and where that data is going to be running. Obviously, kind of protected data, restricted data, secret data, that needs to be isolated. That will be in kind of your sovereign environment, private stack. Restricted data or protected data that could be partially air gapped, for example. And then there's the stuff that's going to be in public cloud environments. Protected data must be encrypted. You must have some sort of residency on it. And then you've got unclassified data as well, which can be kind of anywhere. Okay. So when you're thinking about your zero trust model, think about your data classifications. Think about your solution that you want needs to apply hopefully across multiple clouds and needs to be kind of relevant to your needs and your sovereign requirements from jurisdictional control and data classification across the different cloud models. So VMware has an extensive portfolio with our ecosystem partners with Veeam and Cloudian. We're able to do some very, very nice solutions, fully integrated into the cloud platform, fully self-service, and fully in the control of the customer. So, you know, being proactive, look at your data, understand your data layout, understand your cloud models, and then look at what levels of trust and resilience you need to build in accordance to those cloud models.
Okay, and Nigel, anything you want to add from the Veeam standpoint?
And I'd say, I would add that that configuration of being able to bake in that security, that zero trust, again, is do come to us, come to the vendors and see how you're able to configure that to tick those boxes that you need to be able to offer that to your customer. Sure, there's some really good knowledge and experience of where we've done this already, so we're ready to impart that information.
Okay, and then finally, Amit, let me get your point of view from Cloudian's standpoint.
Yeah, just adding on to that holistic approach, make data immutability a part of your DNA. It is part of the zero trust nature of what you need to design, and it has to start not only from the perimeter protection perspective, but it has to go all the way through the stack and making sure that you have all of the security features that you can have from data at rest, in motion, immutability, everything together is what makes your data safe.
Okay, so look, to kind of wrap up here, I think we all understand the importance of sovereignty in today's privacy world, but also more important, how can we make sure that we're also going to protect things from ransomware attacks that we heard today from Veeam and Cloudian?